Hey guys, my name's Theobald Hedman and you're watching Southern Ingenuity. Today's video, I got a really important repair to make. A friend of ours bought an item here a while back, and when she got it home, she realized it was missing these 4-threaded posts. Now without these posts, this thing's pretty much useless. So in this video, I'm going to be using my milling machine and my rotary indexing head to make her some new parts. And make sure you hang around to see how I get the holes drilled dead center of the posts without using an edge finder or an indicator. Now let's get started. To make sure everything lines up evenly when I'm done, I'm going to face off the ends of each post to make sure that they're square before I drill the holes. To get the holes dead center of the post, I've got to get the indexing head and the spindle perfectly centered with one another. So I'm going to put a 5/8 inch dowel pin into the spindle, and then I'm going to clamp the chuck down onto that dowel pin. This will effectively center the chuck with the spindle. Then all I got to do is lock it down to the table. Fishing. Now, you'd think I'd have done this after dropping the first post down into the hole, but I didn't. I dropped the next one in as well, and it fell down into the T-slot underneath the indexing head, and it took me about 10 minutes to get that one out. Well, now that I've got the center holes drilled for each post, I'm going to drill and tap each one with a 10/24 thread. That way I can screw a bolt into one end to use as a threaded stud, and this will allow the post to be connected together end to end. Well, now I'm getting ready to tap the holes for the studs, and as you can see here, the thread cutting teeth on this tap are tapered towards the end of it. So that means that the threads won't be fully formed near the bottom of the hole, and we're going to use that to my advantage. I don't want the stud to back out of the hole during normal use, so when I install the stud, I'm going to force it down into those unfinished threads, and that should hold it in pretty good, keep it from coming out of place. Well, I got them all drilled and tapped. Next thing to do, I guess, be clean the oil off of them, install the studs, and get them ready for painting. So let's get to cleaning. In addition to jamming the stud into the unfinished threads, I'm going to use some red Loctite to help hold it in as well, and that should be more than enough to keep it from ever coming out during normal use. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you hadn't already, click the subscribe button because I got some more videos on the way. So until next time, I'm Theobald Hedman. Thanks for watching Southern Ingenuity.